The other appointments I have made this afternoon are appointments of ministers. The Minister for Interior and National Administration, the Honorable Professor Abraham Kidure Kindiki, the Minister for National Treasury and Planning, Professor Njuguna Ndungu, Public Service, Gender and Affirmative Action, the Honorable Aisha Jumwa Katana, Ministry of Defense, the Honorable Aden Bare Duale, Ministry of Water, Sanitation and Irrigation, the Honorable Alice Mudoni Wahome, Minister for Foreign Affairs and Foreign and Diaspora Affairs, the Honorable Alfred Mutua, Minister for Trade, Investment and Industry, the Honorable Moses Kuria, the Minister for East African Community, Arid and Semi-Arid Lands and Regional Development, Rebecca Miano, Minister for Roads, Transport and Public Works, the Honorable Onesimus Kipchumba Murkomen, Minister for Environment and Forestry, the Honorable Rosalinda Soipan Tuya, Minister for Lands, Housing and Urban Development, Zakaria Mwangi Njeru, Minister for Tourism, Wildlife and Heritage, the Honorable Penina Malonza, Minister for Agriculture, Livestock and Livestock Development, the Honorable Franklin Midhika Linturi, Minister for Health, Susan Nakumicha Wafula, Minister for Information, Communication and Digital Economy, Mr. Eliud Owalo, Minister for Education, Ezekiel Machogu, Minister for Energy and Petroleum, Davis Chirchir, Minister for Youth Affairs, Sports and Arts, Honorable Ababu Namwamba, Minister for Cooperatives and Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Development, Simon Chelugui, Minister for Mining, Blue Economy and Maritime Affairs, Salim Mvuria, Minister for Labor and Social Protection, the Honorable Florence Bore. I have also made the following cabinet level appointments: Advisor on Women Rights Agency, Harriet Chigai. Advisor National Security or National Security Advisor, Monica Juma. Attorney General, Justin Bidan Muturi Njoka. And Secretary to the Cabinet, Mercy Wanjau. Those are the appointments I have made this afternoon. Other appointments will follow in due course.